Let's say we want to calculate the probability of a given event happening or another event happening such that those two events were not mutually exclusive. That is, they could happen at the same time. How do we calculate that probability? Well, let's take a look at an example in Minecraft. Let's say I want to calculate the probability of getting a bite rune from killing this monster or a spider catalyst from killing this monster. What would that probability be? Well, you might think that we should add the two probabilities, which are 2.67% and 2.06%, but this would actually give us the wrong probability. Why? Well, let's consider if we were to get both from killing the monster. This would be counted in our probability of getting a bite rune, 2.67%, and a spider catalyst, 2.06%, since we dropped both. But this means that we would have counted the probability twice, but we only want to count it once. So therefore, if we counted it twice, we can subtract it once to count it once. So our true probability is 2.67% plus 2.06% minus 2.67% times 2.06%, which is equal to 4.675%. And yeah, that's it.